In this video, we will show you how to insert and customize ready-made shapes. You can find the available ready-made shapes in the Shapes section of the Tools bar. Those shapes are ellipse, pie, rectangle, trapezoid or parallelogram, polygon, and star. The icon of the last used shape is visible on the Shapes section, which you can activate with a single click. In case you need to select an alternative tool, place the mouse cursor on top of the Shapes section, and a flyout menu appears with all the available shapes. Click to select the tool you like, and it is automatically activated. It is also now visible on the bar for easy reuse. Click and drag to define position and size of the inserted shape. While dragging, you can see a virtual preview of the inserted shape. Release the mouse and the shape is finalized. The Insert Ellipse tool is still activated and you can continue adding more ellipse shapes. When you're done, right-click to release the tool or click on the rectangle selection. One thing to have in mind is that before you click and drag to place any shape, you can adjust the options of the inserted shape from the Tools Options bar. For example, for pie, you can adjust the start and stop angle. You may also adjust the shapes after you have placed them. The same applies to all other shapes. While creating any shape, you can use various keys on your keyboard to help you with sizing and alignment. For instance, if you hold the Ctrl key down and drag your mouse diagonally, the shape keeps the same width and height. In this way, you can easily create a perfect circle every time. If you hold the Alt key down, then the created shape snaps on the grid. The snap functionality can also be enabled through the View menu. When you enable it through the View menu, the snapping stays enabled. And if you hold the Alt key down, you can temporarily disable it. Actually, consider Alt key to be a way to temporarily change between enabling or disabling snapping. Finally, if you hold the Shift key down, the inserted shape starts from the center of the circle to the outside. You may also use combinations of these keys. For example, if you hold the Ctrl and Shift key down, you can create a circle starting from the center. That's it for now. In the following videos, we show you how to insert and adjust any of the available shapes.